Back in Negros, I have a small sugar central and a refinery. And, we interview a lot of people. And one time there's a young guy, so I told him, Pete, I want you to know that in my company, we're looking for people who are not only qualified, we're looking for someone responsible. Sir, in my last job, whenever something went wrong, I was responsible. Anyway, Hagalpakan, and I was talking to some of you, and you know that town in Negros. We service about 300 planters, and many of them are hardworking, honest guys. But there's this particular sugar planter who runs his farm by remote control. He lives in a condominium in Makati, and he has, in his farm, he has an encargado. You know what an encargado is, right?
No.
So one day he gets a call. Hello? Hello, sino to? Sir? Si Pedro, sir? Sino? Si Pedro, sir? Si Pedro ba, sir, ang encargado? Ay, oo, Pedro. Kumusta? Nakatawag ka? O, kumusta naman dyan? Okay naman, sir. Kaya lang, sir, meron akong bad news para sa iyo. Ha? Bad news? Ano yun? Sir, natandaan mo, sir, yung parrot mo, sir? Yung ano? Yung periko mo ba, sir, yung parrot? Oo, ano nangyari? Sir, namatay, sir? Ha? Namatay yung parrot? Bakit? Hindi ko namin alam, sir. Siguro, sir. Chewy ko lang to, ha? Palagay ko, sir, kumain ba siya ng sira na karne?
Oh, no.
Sino naman ang nagpakain ng sira na karne sa parrot ko? Wala, sir. Siguro, sir, kumain ba siya ng karne ng patay na kabayo? Sandali, gago ka ba? Patay na kabayo? Opo, sir. Anong kabayo? Sir, yung race horse ko, sir, namatay. Namatay ang race horse ko. 5 million ang bili ko ng kailanting. Bakit? Hindi ko namin alam, sir. Siguro, sir, chewy ko lang to, ha? Siguro, sir, na-heart attack yung kabayo. Na-heart attack ang kabayo. Paano ma-heart attack ang kabayo? Kasi, sir, magdamag, sir, pinagbuhat namin, sir, ng tubig. Pinagbuhat niyo yung race horse ko ng tubig. Opo, sir, para patayin, sir, yung apoy.
Oh.
Patayin yung apoy. Bakit? Ano nasunog? Sir, yung bahay mo. Nasunog ang bahay ko. Bakit? Ano nangyari? Hindi ko namin alam, sir. Siguro, sir, chewy ko lang. Yung kandila, sir. Yung kandila. Nasunog yung kortina. Nasunog yung buong bahay. Kandila. Sandali. Hindi ba may generator naman tayo? May electricity. Bakit may kandila? Siyempre, sir, pag may burol, may kandila. Burol. Kaninong burol? Sir, kay nanay mo, sir. Sa nanay ko lang siya namatay. Namatay si nanay? Opo, sir. Kasi dumating siya hating gabi. Akala ko, sir, magnanakaw na bagay ko, sir.
Parrot. Yung parrot lang yun eh. Ang galing.
It's getting late. I'm gonna sing now one of